More afa topics miensa ho na de dikan terrorism attack and kidnapping de to so mienu enso domestic violence and de to so miensa no crime prevention na obi bebisa say ye de nke ya asofo ye nyame adwumayefo na adenti na police for mo frɛ yen ede yen eba ha no mo sei me pa cho yasɛm no ye ketua bi ene sɛ enche bia ene etete wo the wokrata mu na fe nso radio stations sɛ countries bi bemben ye no sansensem yi terrorist attack yi ebi esisi wo na ebi kura timisi ewo asori dem enti yabetu baby esi so ohun so obi abodwe hia na wasensu asiu de ho ba they say dem fu so ohun so obi abodwe hia anka wo de wuyi wo de no mensensu onsi hu yima nim free ho eno nti ena enne ya fremu edemo abaha na yedamo asensu se yedi invitation ne bae nso moaba na moba beti kwa sorry emu members nyina ye stakeholders enti na anopay ye hia mo wa hei na de to so biem so ye deputy regional commander opese omamo akwaba ansa na ya toa so se ne be ye enkoye se ye nkwala ye wa ha no mo na ye to nsa frɛ mo na emu no instructions and a trickle down e ma medicine sa letter no
asofo father for asahumpanimfo asori ayi mu aba media for am de baby am ho regional commander and Emma Munina Akwaba. Program here police administration ashi enye adea sebi ade fufuro ye nyina yenim ho dada ahobambo, that is security. Ewo hoda dada nemum nanse ne ekoso se ase nipa bonifo no edi omani ya kire ya sori dem eso mo hu se asori e baabi a nipa bebre etumi ehia enti so mpese omgodi ewidi semu a omo hu se omo kwa so dem omenye nipa bebre akum and it says no omdo money chre asori mu and ntine be hia say e ma ye ni ada ho e de say abo owo na say ni pa money fui amedi enya oba sabi o nyi na nim say obidi boni obedress kama say ni asori menyina address kama de oba hu be ye den say ebia ubehunu nense am ye ni da ho a ebetumi ehu esan se mpempie no asori maye ana yeninimi ye ho pa eti se ba bone fo bewuram na ye hwe ne ye ne ho ne ma bi o ya ese yetumi emampenifu aso ntem aso tinentem na yetu ho anamo enti haya yehye enya de a obi bekire obi bibi na emum no ne police empenifo sister Irene ene ne empenifo police experience kakra omwanya no yene mo share nani amonso munim ni experience kakra amonso mo no mo so de atodwa ne na abobo ho ne asone mu ne ehu se ne be ya ebetumi aden ya boy ho ban afi terrorist ene sa kidnappers boy ehu the kidnappers so almost do money a kira so dem sa ye mane ade a ye kwa so re ne ejeja no me na mabontin rough no mu dia rough no we betumi afi bi dia ko e ma ba ye asemama asore no edwe nyina e be hia yi e be dwedwe mo pa mo de mra yesu be kan de e dey open forum aye na e be brainstorm how to protect ourselves against terrorists.
The motive ene die. E die nti kura no pese odi saa erukasem no e wo wiase. Die di kan no ye ka se terrorist obi a ni motive ni se odi bone na odi asade no no ne bone na odi no nso no openie nipa bebrebe wu ama media etimi akapcha ne yie na owogidie nso se otimi wu na se otimi ku nipa bebrebe nso eka ne ho a ni gidie anase ne ideology no watimi achieve afi yebehwe ebi ohodmo a types ni bi ni ebi ohodmo a oye etia state oman no obi nso ohodmo a oye se ne beye a ni gidie anase ne religion bi ebekoso enu nti eno di sa rukasem afi obi nso ohodmo nso a oye no se ne beye a obema abanye etiso anase oman no ebeye beja eno nso ewo ho na ehefa enetimi si etimi esi ewo lorry stations etimi si ewo public place bia edwom ebetimi esi hotel and comforting alcohol them ebetimi esi nso in the form of fire outbreak sankrofo ya on the onfetu oma na emo no behu na ebia hotel kese bia na asafu kakraka bi na ejadem na afi na ekoye investigations ahwehwe wo be hwehwe abesi na chese sa nipa bonifu yi na aye bibi sa obi nso wo ho no mo a spiritual direction bi a ye de ama no se wonye na ya na mihu enema ekoso a mitimi hu se yamfie ni anto foma enche bia akwankyira hodro a abai yebetimi kura ama obi akwankyira ni bia wanhwe ya asafu nyina ebewu nipa no so gidie no afei enkrofo ben na ye ka terrorist a omo recruit wo omo peni bafo omo pen krofo mo ICT background obi a wire science engineers obi a oye bilingual otekasa bebre afi nso no obi a ebia ya traffic no obi afa no afri mefa ne se Ghana se me do ko Niger anase Gambia no akoye adwuma amame omuduru kwan so bibiti se Benin na ahokyere aba sika omode beto aso ebi ni ho no mo enti sa nipa no edru sabia no na se onya sika ento aso a na so ohwe nso na se ni gidie ene terrorist no de no eye pa no de no ho akogine obi nso ho no nso kura e hye da ton no e de ne ma sankrofo ne se ono nso nkaka omo ho na omonye adwuma no bi me interview obi a wire victim na ne account o de ma me se na omo kofa Libya desert no so na omo de akọ Europe nti omo duru ba bi no omo ko hia terrorist na ye kidnap omo ye kidnap wa na wo de contact number ewo ukrom family member bi di ama omo na o my instruction is say on twa ransom bi into account bi mu a enye wo krom ho na omo agent o ho no mo agi oyi sika na afen so ye be search wa hwese sika ni bi e wo wo ho a sika wo ho nyina so ye beje terrorism enye attack nko a na ye kan financing so a enye sika sem nko a but human resource nso ka ho o se ma na ewo mu no omo yusu omo so omo yere no omo ma omo no aduane nso e ma wo enti o se omo kọ no na ya ma omo brief ne se uduru ho no ma uti anya yi a bibi se na timisi enti omo sika no dollar na ekuta omo na sika no betimi asesa no omo de share omo to anus opia de share ho no se ne be ya se ye frene maame wa ha na ne papa de obetwa na no na nka de wo ne ho no de kọ ba se omo nim sa trick ni nyina enti wo ho no ne egusa na so ni bia emfa wo ho na mo so obedi 2 weeks wo ho a wo ye nipa benidi enti aduane no omo yene no mo so na eye enti kan wa na se makuo dudu a ne ama na tirim wo yem betu enti wo rane no ana se wo gya wo nan no no kwabra ni gina wachi sika ne to fa wa no ayi afiri ti sa e na ye de eye wo ho afen so omo pe obi a wo ye radical kakra unim ye enuboni no ma eye wani so ye hejeheja eno so eye afen obi nso a si ye de wo kwa akohye sa de no a wo te ase ya kira wo dada enya fe ene ye ba be kire e wo ho ena omo pe nkrofo nso omo wo leadership skills na afe omo ye professional graduates enti electronical na eze wo operate ma bomb to anasa afe ne ye ko kire AK to a unyo obi a wadwemu na ho afe na ye do be hyase a akwa akosi afe no omo objectives ni bi nso punishment no afe bi nso omo de say ena omo obaaku bi a omo pese eye symbolic na symbolic no eno no be hu e bi a group bi na ye asafu ye di anniversary bi 20th anniversary 30th anniversary sad day no be strike because one or penny padodo two onim so se be ye symbolic or striking wie that's one the otimiku 5 kra de bia mo beka ye di 25th anniversary ena we see ana say independence day ena we say esi afi yakani say ye wie a oman edien ena ye afa ho ana say terrorism no mama fa we forms are take no mama fa we say nka ho implements omo use obi oho no mo a AK47 odi bejira ha odi be spray ye nyina obi nso oho no mo a odi bomb ana say explosive no esiesie e wo ba bia ye ba betina obi nso oho no ma wo asori dem a no wo say ka bi ba ka na loadi nemo no say ye asori wa hey na ka bia basis ya na engine blocks ana say engines ene wom eye nadoa ene wom ubebusa ho say ka we say de nipa wote mu no oba bepe de wa ha yesra mo engine block say the bomb shem na say blastia a piece of it can go through this wall enti enu ankasa eye weapon afen so no say eye nadoa na say ediba be si ho no mo ema ye de she enu so hyemu a bomb ni hyemu na blastia nadoa enu so no force dey use na nu ankasa so ye weapon na itimi eku edipa afi bi oho no mokra cement fertilizer no dia besi odo dia shem se ne be ye a wadwen maso se bibisa ebetimi ashem na se ye oman ede na oman ayafa ho se edi besi sa ne moya no kwan me pa cho me start na ke se nka me kan we answer ye Christopher mo ne mo enne kasa de ye nyina Bible so ye gina Ghana mbra so nti e pa mo cho se ye ka bibi na se ne gidie no enkwa na bo de akyei e da wase afi oman no e wo Ghana Police Service a wo counter terrorism unit e wo region ha ye wo bi wa ha ye wo BNI enso wo ha mo a ono nso ekuntia sa terrorism ye wo National Security Ministry ono nso wo ho Ghana Immigration Service and afi Customs Department GRE omo na wo ye border so afi Interior Ministry ono ne Mother Ministry ya ohwe ni nyina so military so e wo unit anti counter terrorism e wo ho afi ye wo civil societies ena afi ye wo NADMO Iyoko ena Interpol nyina so e bo modern se yebesi terrorism anokwan e wo Ghana na emra a ye de boye ho ban no Ghana ye member of Commonwealth ena afen so United Nations ye kan ho enti treaty bi e bebe bia ana Security Council resolution bia e fa terrorism ho no Ghana e si etimi enso implement e wo yen hanu mo say once we are members enti Ghana 1992 constitution wo ho Anti-Terrorism Act 208 Act 762 e wo ho ye amendment 2012 afi ye wo Criminal Code Act 2960 ye wo National Security Intelligence Act ena afi nso no wo hwe Anti-Terrorism Act no mu a o say prison term for Obia Obeye Sadia is 7 to 25 years for anyone who abets a terrorism organization or a terrorist act by way of financing, supporting, training, providing, transporting property and then weaponry. And also say harboring terrorists. When the information gets out, one so we are accomplice. Ye do ebeka ho bi. Afi adentina asafo ye high risk to terrorism attack. Religious teaching. Senye yen chire na esitie no. Ye say Bible so ni gina. Na Nyankopon anase Yesu Kristo so obi amra na nche enti semete asori den ya no na se obi ba asori a ye pen nipa dodo so masakra do mo ba asori enti ye beje no ama no atenase eno e ma ye high risk eno e kire se nipa boni ni bi betimi afre mu aba afen so ye hwe sanye sisisi ya sorry dan so a eye architectural designs of our churches and they would be who church be o no a the door ananse ne punu nyina ye ba akope ebi nso o no a stores ye de ase na hai esro no church wo ho but door no eye ba akope enti such places na se obi wrem na so buta sa adwen bone no na opese o attack ya obeku nipa e wo ho no munya afei ya long church service activities ya all night ebi so start free 10 p.m. epono ne da hwa se ese nipa nyina amre nti pono ne da hwa ko sisi ye bepon 4 obia timi ewremu bi nti eno nso sa adesaye no mu no bibia timi si we are at high risk afei residential places nso wo ho no mu a ye churches nti esan say terrorist no ni motive ni say opeso okum nipa dodo na so no kura wu bia obenya publicity or ye hero so kan ho nti no so oba ho na asafo no ye ketwa kra na oku a omo environment no so obenya number ni bi aka ho afi dia ba wo Ghana bie hu so ne say yetimi hu asofo bi no nso a omo show omo publicity enti ni membership na afi ono sofo no kra ne wealth and also crowd display me who say oh any party true we say eba masori na afen so no me membership so to say ube hu ana animu ya twa TV so ya na ya twa abonten aba ya say overflow kire nipa dodo a ewo ho ono so no terrorist no openipa nti ote kire na so hwe bia ohu etimi target ba bia obetimi akọ afi ECOWAS protocol on free movement of members across neighboring countries ECOWAS say nipa no move wo West Africa ha no dia ene mademra nti me ko baby ti say Nigeria Senegal mi hia visa say nipa ne ba but aso odru border no so a profile no say yetimi gather data we nyina wo nipa ne ho ma se nipa no ewura eye oman no mu a na se ye hwehwe ana ye be se hu dwumadi a oba bedi a yetimi nya correct information no e free ho ana eno nso e ka ho bi ena afi unemployment osimi ni adwuma se obi se wa promise me motivation ni high osise mitimi ko asafu yi mu ana mitimi ko kro we su koku nipa se ya obehwe babusu enjira sika se watwi atom account mu a form of income a obeye yakeka ni se ya wie ede ne ebetimi aye na yetumi ede aso ano de dikan no yes religious workers should be schooled in the operations of terrorists send ye say asafo ni nyina no yetimi kire ema yehu ekwan a terrorist no odi ne dwumadie fa so na yehu say yenso no we are at risk na Bible say yentietie ye nyankire so but on kasa oda ho a ne akotia no so afi so no there should be security points at religious premises for all members to be scanned before entering halls. Yepa mo chosa dey we say body scanner. No. Okay. We say no say Yep, compare obia ye dituo aba a ehye no ho ubehu se ne besi sound ne besi aye ena afe nso obia hwe ni ne ho nso no uduru ho no mo na se ye ya nti yepa mo chonko obi betu ne ho okay ye nya police ni ba metals na won e ha no enti na e ma signal enti obi o hodo na so dru eye ye gate na na se ye na se ye se ya o se ena mi kuta hwe enso aye gwa na ebo ye si you belt no obeyi so ne kwa isi shari bottom obeyi obi o hodo na safety pin ada se eyi ya kan say blade e ma ye tie ni echi nti na blade kitwa bi da ne bag na e blow alarm enti alarm ni nya blow say ya wo ma ni pa ne nko say ye batim so say ye den yo e ye say wo scan ni pa no ji ye wa ba kon so a eno so ye de fakase enti uka car drew one more. Yet the fast here. So what planted bomb no? And answer any device. A check and answer that would be premises for no more. Me patrol will raise the alarm. And also, ye be home. Ansana abo and answer at 2. Ne boy yet.
Walk through where you see gate and so we were more and the anticipated so
Afe ye wo ba ko so ho do mo a wo be hu you through airport ni ade a no ye walk through gate anu say na ye de asi ho wo fa mu a bibi hye wo ho a eno so ye be hu etinka ya asafo yi de anka do mo be ya amaye walk through no Ada say okra fufuro bana de we fifa no ho kwa o mabiem obeba ni security nti obeba afei odi tuo na ba be very sensitive. Obi so oho no a oseme ye adwuma was security installation bi nti me use pistol. Nti pistol omosi mo anim o paparazzis. E pa cho omosi o mo anim. Sorry. Any ye besa ye bi. Na ti said ye nyina. Okay. Na se eno so hye wo ho a grenade eno so ebema alarm no. Ye pa mo cho se ne bo anya din. Wo betimi church bia betimi atobi. Na wo to na se bia mefa ne se ye worship na ya start ya sorry. Na se wo ba no to aye yinyum iba na de bag she no me call worship na me pa cho modus. Se o ma wani ekoho. Enkrofo sa no mo use time. Into obe make sure so obe ba no. Na eho na ye ma o mantem o ti ho no ma obehu na o fidgete o sorry for washroom no aba no asaba betena se dingina o hwetai on hihye ye nso a o hihye ne ho na o de aye n'adwuma afi se lipa fufuro bi nso ewura asori dem a ye pamocho mo nka ncha safo ma ne se nya obia ene ne nkasa owura ho no na so pay information a mo direct ne ma one person say be a front desk and I say usher particular person a one ne nkasa na eno nso no challenge e wo mu ne language barrier e bia na obebai na French nkoa na oka obia anti French wo ho yeso anya hwe wa banya me fie man tenase na ya mana tenase so the adwemboni bi ne ba ya na eno so akon etia e afi Sunday school say ne si kire nkwala na de na say church leadership should know the content of the teaching manual de kire nkwala no ohun say terrorism no ye omonso indoctrination to ono so kire nkwala ade nkakra enti say your agent and wetimi penetrate na oba na me person me kira dey on Sunday school me ya de pa na de no kwotena na wouldn't the content of what the person is teaching at the end of the day no me pa cho be wiase no be kire won sa de we say na e de ahadwen afi church premises and see a patrol ho ye won krofo ye astafu no mu adwuma enti anopa no oba se scan na mu obi afine obetimi dia for round akrese aso obi aplanti bibi e wo ho no mo ana se ebi nso ni ho no mo nso a onyusu nani say bia obi di bibi boni bi ahye baabi ana say obi won kra na ye polythene bag keke na ode akoto baabi a me pa cho eno nso apia me pa cho eno nso say ye hwe ena say patrol ho no mu wi a ye pon so say patrol ho anka ebeye yi a yes a propose say eye Sunday school no kidnapping any terrorism ya ye ka ho asemunti anka ye mfa tag nto akola bia ko se maame wodo baba tag no numbers wo so na yama obaako se number 5 a ye de 5 no to akola ni koma na ye de to ne nsase a ni yama wo maame ne baako enti wo pon na wo ba beje wo ba wo de ma teacher na o hwe number na de da akola ni ko mu a confirm no do ba mo na do ko se de be ya enkwala nyira obi ntimi nwura ho no nso e ma me dada enkwala emfa wo nko afenso baby e work car parks ni ade e si enya security e wo ho no mbe patrol se sorry e koso a enti aha no mu se nanka obi na mu se ne be ya obi antumi mfa bibi machine asafu bi kra ho no mu a wo park se ye je wo car key na ya ma wo number ni ya hange oba na se wo ye we ya na ye de amount eno nso eboa nti so te asafu no mu na se wo kwa akwaye bibi boni bi wo ho a obema beji key ansa na wakọ eno nso nipa ni bedi na chi nti ebehu ne oye afei asafu key eye church halls any offices no eye say ye peni pa ba kwa ye gini e de ma no okuta enye say ye 5 nti nipa 5 obi okuta bi nipa ba ko enka osofo na onguta na yentimi enfa enye hono backpack school for bag ya ebobo onwachi ene afa obi nso ohodo mu a ema ye pe handbag akese pa na ekuta na mebacho oduru hono mu a ya mo ba ye hwe sa bags no so eyi afei asafu bi oho a eso enti ye wo workers a omoye adwuma e wasafu no ye wa administrators ya fa won etua won ka security ya fa won etua won ka sankrofo ni nyina wo be fa won a police procedure wa ha do say mo fo mo mra ne envet wo mo nhwe se asomu ni criminal record bia na ya ma mo report no na wafa enipa no e wo me ko asafu bi me ko kan we na ma me bi ka kire me se Bible say nipa timi sakra oko prison bakra say wa sakra dia yetimi ma na dwuma because asafu no yesi yetimi welcome eno wo homo ba yesi bodam fa ne dam ko de odi hurura nkwala de eno so e wo konti pam chomo ma ye fa ne fam say ya ye no fingerprint no ya ye no electronically enti odi to so from 1963 ni nyina crime scene bia fingerprint e ko ji bia electronically nti onya de to so na say within that period basis we were committing crime or bia e be pop it up na ye the report no abro afei asafon peli fo mo ho do mo a utimi nya phone message bi to say we are together unim ni pakro shen so ebi o ha good morning God's mission our goal ye hu ne ma bi say ya na ye taking it serious but say utimi edi wani di a kire say after these messages no edi ebiom na nipa no edi beba because nipa na oyesa no ni gidie so e na ogina de aye ono so fo say enyame adwuma ana say bibia oya edi ne beko esro afei be the one page pe ebe ka ho about kidnapping no ye kwa Sunday school teachers wa ha do ma ni amaye ni akohu yie because nkwala ye chi wo mo do so chen empelifo a ye chi wo mo enti ye wo adoption and ye wo kidnapping e wo ho and a walk missing child. Obi wɔ hɔ no ne ba kɔ school or man onya information bia obegyina house me pacho ya kidnap me ba. Me pacho for that moment in the only information bia kyerɛ sɛ ya kidnap no. Nti police back capture as missing child. As time goes on, that's the who say bia obi frɛ per ransom and I say ye use other networks so they should share ni who say ya campaign or baby based on information. Then we change the crime to either kidnapping or adoption. So, being a dinner question there, when I want to dance, yeah, yeah, dear Dikai, what if Muna as a passenger and Casabebre or phone so? Hello, Akwasi, my many babamu, Shahanu say, money 5,000 Ghana cedi. Obi nso ho no mo sese me nsa ka me visa no nti me no wo ka say kra o makwaji scarration wo ho kidnappers no ono no o penipa ne nsam wo bi as a ransom ba wo betimi atwie bi ama no enye obi a dobedi kra den enti se wo this information ne ma na se ni agent wo na so nya sa we ya eno no de target afen so no your church premises near the near CCTV, say betimi atwa. Ebi and one for monitor activities and kwala pia bonten yama teachers. Anyone wachi. Akwala ne kwadwon so teacher ni na chi. Mma yen ka say oh, da bia omokọ edwe asia na omodwon so. E no no nko ane ba de. Me pa cho okwa teacher ni eni na chi. Afe ye man kwalanso hu say mo attending to strangers at church. Ena ebie mu nso no se wo ya adoye a ye strompenifo no je no wokokoam enye ni bebre maye nhu ni bebre se wusika samo ye nti wutimi che 10,000 wutimi high dan ma obi wutimi ye we ye no wokokoam because lipa no who financial status na eno so wo ba o ye target afi se wo kɔ adwuma de bia wo fa ha no ne go pie o Pedro Junction occasionally se some routes and fa one route de bia occasionally se some routes afi se ubusuani bi na se obi chi no na so starting fresh e mo fa sika se into account we ana bibisa ye pa mo chow entwen se wo kwa kope besia eni ade e dia kwa settle nipa na wiansa na obeka kire police yes sir obi wo ho mo ye modus ana se ekwan bi o mafa so a wo ekochi kope sika na wo ne no e ka se nyina na sakwala no de ne if kwa no de na ekọ baze si ya na wo ka kire police na police ka kire barriers e wo ho no nyina bia akwala no ye nsabeka no but obudi ka di hu hye wonnim na ka kire police ye monitor wo ka kire police pe wo ba no hu ne biem me pa kire no so ye nhwe ne biem ena afa ye wo child ye wo helpline enso e wa ha do say ye wo 18555 e wo ho ena afe ye wo 0299 201875 akam yin me pacho meme yaje na mede asoso nti me pamocho mewie medie no
eni se akonfo bi aba wo mo no aso dem instruments eno mo wia omu bu aponeni de ba che mo na exam instruments nyina ediko krabo sa meboa ni endiano de na ye afa ho na bi ne se be yi a kamu ya so kon ya instruments no munyi invested omu njana bonte de senia omu njana ye di omu njana afra so for na ka kire so first of all instruments ya mu njana akwa de be yo ya to bra so ya ti to za di enso se ya kwa duro se ya den yo omo fi e na dan sisi ho obi nka se bone mra na ka ko se akonfo be fa ko bati le pinga edi misra mo ko amode no mo hwe wasam ka yi se be bi ensine enye safe wa mo pon ya especially me expensive e wo mo no mo yin fam ko si dem mo be asori a mo de aba se ne be ya mo be nya ne de bia mama me kwan de me damase
di echi mo akọ kana ofie enti ase enye djuma wasamba police station enti anytime bia udi case back up police station no na se nkebe yi a me yasanka adansefo no nyina ye ka ko du bebi a ya netumi na case bia na kase ye twa so se na supo okan no sa sexual offenses no me a me gino hoyi me netumi ma handle sa case no e ba me ho baka no a mare fe ama no whilst he is a competent person to handle those cases ana moa sa cases no e ko du court wan se kwan am free court na osopo panyini ana mpanyinfo akota se mu ka asam no abra court ama ho kwan a it amounts to what compounding crime ya chimo amoko court until anytime you have a complaint to lodge, go to the charge office. Make sure say police nina or your case na na so duty no. Eboko krata kese no. No do akoma station officer. Station officer na be ti asem wiye. Na ono wa ma directives and sana aba mpemfo no ho. Na se wukọ na on counter ensure no ene nam ho a se minimini se no so be na se problem ba afamu mienu ho. Now, preservation of exhibits. Say a niema yensaka abetima boy investigation no. Then they say ye. Say na superintendent Okayano. Obi akoto obi muna. It can be rape. It can be defilement. And an empana bakacho say na AC anajo 11 o'clock. Wako police station. And I'm put one the following day. And I'm police station. Miss Ramon until say medical officer no obeshehu at the cruel any problem no. Miss Manjari out of anger ebufu ntino sa nsu bonanfo na wo hrogu mu no obepese odware sisi at the spray afafa ho ansa na hospital. You are spot evidence. Mamun say evidence man go do court. Na ma ko say police ni no ana court ni yakọ trias common court ni ya say case no. The case you spoil the case by not preserving the what evidence. Madam Eka Sembi HM Efa fingerprint no ho. The whole world interfompuno. Our features and characteristics on our fingertips are lips are different. Obi in one man or no obi features and our characters no then regions no then AFP. And they say Bonibi si near the Panaco court. Police were taking them pan fingerprint. Yeah, then a court say one code web jelly we are. Yeah, the whole report the fingerprints near court headquarters near Belly record F and Empano. And they say my baha Ebobu epuneni me yano me de mnai me nsa si ha eye wei ontumi mfa weni kan ehu ade no nemom uga kire apolicefoɔ na ye wonkɔfo a ye hyere eteto mu yie wo mo kɔ hɔ ma wo mo chemicals a mo tima de lift fingerprint no na de akɔ ma krafo sɛ ya de anempa no akɔ jail ana ya nya ho record dia ye wo de bafa fidiem ehun sɛ akwa we aye wo no a Mankon Junction some years ago enimpa bi na djuma oya ne sɛ owie aduane efiri efum ana okɔ obi no fu ana oboye bonu tuo mo no wi oproye oyese Now, so police in the case, man, or bombard na taking the fingerprinting me at the headquarters. And the toll machine, Kohun's and pan because we are quite jail in Prenu. And any fear, ni din, ni mammy, ni antecedents in our record room, then the picture in our account. Police, you know, when our on Namsu and son away to whom and then Panabusia Eden or free. And they say BBC, ever breaking one. So when you go home, but na report the case no. Make sure say a police for no call her. Mama who emotional and do kind no one found sa and ye maybe. Yes sir, you have spoiled your evidence. So be proud. Next case you call police station now atade ni nyina ye moja. Mesaw atade no you go. Adechia for come police. Ye atade no batoa ye ba hata na wawiem na atade na wo. Ye the case you call court. Ye be kwa kira court na court ehun say time aye pre ne mpa no. Say na atade moja no eti. Omaka rape, omaka defilement, amako kidnapping nyina say to prevent it, it is not the police alone who help you prevent it. Policing is a shared responsibilities. Mo amotitia, say me kase ye bisa areas na mo free no. How many of such areas have formed police neighborhood watchdog? The crime prevention. Train your children. Be so closer to your children. Don't live in isolation. Get dogs in your areas. Let security be your concern. And together, society will be at peace. Thank you. Women. Kakran now the bama oba na onye na mo se obi wo ebusiam na se twan toma de obenya sika koto bi. What are we doing? If you don't handle your parents, your children very well and they grow up, they turn and rebel against you. The better part of life is say what call retirement. No ko po we be atna and oba no on twese kan and boss say wan hwe no. Yes. When you start taking these drugs, you're in trouble. So, if you handle your children very well, your children are abstained from drugs, they will not go and steal, they will not go and rape, they will not go and attack these type of people. In the way, as a parent, you are preventing crime.
Yeah, it's obvious. Some of the members or maybe the entire church has not been well educated enough to know some of the threats and some of the issues that they can take keen interest in it when it comes to security. So today I think it is a very positive step in the right direction that this workshop has been organized for our members to attend to make sure that we have get enough education concerning certain things. So it is obvious the members were not educated enough during the time past. Oh, obviously the things that they have taught today is very good, that taking keen note of it will help us to make sure that we are safe in the church, because they have given us key indicators concerning certain things that when you see it raise suspicious alerts that we have to take good care of such incidents, and especially the aspect of training our deacons or ushers to take care of people who arrive in the church premises. I think it's this very good education that they have given to us today. We're not leaving anything to chance, but making sure that all people who come to the church are taking well note of as to what they are coming to do and when they are leaving, to make sure that the members are safe in the church premises. I think the key measure that all pastors or the churches must put in place is to make sure that, one, the members are well educated, because when the members are well educated, then everybody becomes a police in the church, and as such we can detect any faulty or any foul incident that is coming to happen in the church. Then secondly, making sure that the security indicators in the church are working, having cameras around, and making sure that the church are well spaced out so that when there's need for us to flee, we cannot flee without any hindrance, to make sure that we are okay in the church premises. So when pastors are putting these measures in place, I think it will help the churches to make sure that we are safe. One of my church members, who is a lecturer, said that Ghanaians, we believe God is always a Ghanaian. So as such, sometimes we leave certain things to chance. But it's not all things that we have to leave to chance. We have to be security cautious and aware of certain things, that we need not to play on certain things. So as such, I think issues that needs to be attended to must be attended to, not necessarily going to pray or going to preach the Bible and leaving such incidents at stake. So we should balance all things to make sure that we are safe and sound in the church. My name is Pastor Benjamin Ochere, Pedro Seventh-day Adventist Church.
Basically, what we did this morning is part of our crime prevention strategies that we have put in place. And what the regional commander, that is Commissioner of Police, Mr. Paul Manley Awini, and his deputy DCOP, DCOP, Mr. Enoch Bediako, is sending out is that we don't want to leave any section of the public out in this education. One, we sensitize church leaders and pastors on terrorism attack and also kidnapping and domestic violence and crime prevention in general. They are the first point of call when it comes to crimes in our churches. Their members contact them for advice, and at times they also mediate on cases of that nature. We want them to know what constitutes a crime, how they can collaborate with police in combating crime of that nature. Again, in the area of terrorism, we also sensitize them to know the indicators that they should look out for, so that they can also report to police any person that they suspect that he could easily carry out that action in the church. And also the security measures that they have to put in place in their church premises, around the church places, that is the parking lots, and if possible, if they can get scanners that members can walk through for us to be able to know what each person is carrying to help in combating crime of that nature. So basically, that is what we did this afternoon. Central region have not had any report of terrorism attack. But what we are doing is the prevention aspect. We don't want it to happen before we come in to educate. So we are starting now so that they will be cautious of security at the church premises, and their members will also be given this information. And in sharing information with the police, any suspicious person who comes to the church premises can be reported to the police, and we will pick that person. By so doing, we have nabbed that crime in the bud. Today is for Cape Coast Division. We have plans also. Today we met Christians, that is the Christian church workers and pastors. Next week we are also meeting all Muslims here to give them the same information. The next aspect is that we are moving to other divisions. We will be going to Swedro, we are going to Kaswa, and then Dunkwa, Onofin, and Asimfusu. We will be doing it at the divisional level. And after that, we have personnel that we have also trained who will be going to the district and the station level to also sensitize churches about this. The response was very good. They needed more. In fact, they expressed the interest for us to be organizing such programs regularly. So that feedback will be given to regional commander, and we plan to come out with more of those.